Hello and welcome to another Sayduck platform tutorial video, this time on materials. In this video we'll be going through what materials are and how to use them in the Sayduck platform. So let's begin. So materials can be found from your resources tab, and they are the ones with the circle icon. If you want to highlight just your materials, you can deselect the meshes and you will be left with your materials. Right now I only have one material that is assigned to all of my nodes, and it's just a plain white color. If I would make changes to this material, it will make changes to all of my nodes in the 3D scene. But this is not what I want. I want individual materials for each of my nodes. So to do that, let's just name this material seed and create the other materials. Materials can be created by just clicking the Add Material button on the bottom. Or you can duplicate a material if you have preset textures that you want to use in your other materials. Right now we don't, so we can just do this and change the names. So this one is for legs, this is for cushion, this one is for the stoppers. Now materials, for them to work, you also have to assign them to the nodes in the 3D scene. This can be done in various ways. So this one way is to drag and drop these legs materials to here on the 3D scene, or you can drag and drop it to the 3D model. Or the third way is to select the node in the 3D scene and then just assign material. Perfect. Now, how to make changes to a material. To make changes to a material, you have to first select your material and then adjust the material values. So if we want to make a red seat, we can just do that like that. Adjust a bit the glossiness. We can add texture. I have already uploaded my textures, so I can just add them by clicking the map slot and selecting texture. And then occlusion. To learn more about each individual textures, you can watch our textures video. I will not go too deeply on that on this video. Then adjust the tiling to make our normal map work correctly. So that's the first material. Now for the legs. For the legs, I want to use the wood material. Assign the normal map to add it a bit of bumpiness. Okay, that's a bit too rough, so I can adjust the intensity. Let's add a bit glossiness. Perfect. And then occlusion map for the shadows. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. And now for the cushion, same thing. Add the texture and then add the tiling to make the repeating pattern smaller. Perfect. Now I have created all my materials. That is a quick overview on the materials. Now let's quickly go through other features related to materials. So as we went through from the top corner, you can duplicate your material, and this will create material with your textures already assigned. So if you want to quickly create another color, you can just do that and have your materials like that. Perfect. Then you can delete a texture or a material. When you delete a material, if it's assigned to a node, then it will remove the material as well as the node in the 3D scene. So be careful with that. Add material to library. This will add your material to your library here, so you can assign it or use it in other products. Perfect. Material folders. If you want to assign your materials to folders to make your UI cleaner, you can just do that by just dragging them to the folder. And to assign them out, you just have to drag to the arrow here. Perfect. That's all it for materials. See you in the next one.